Hi everyone, welcome back to Life Fact Hacks. If you ever wished your Samsung phone could respond you instantly without even saying hi Bixby first, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to set up the Talk to Bixby without wake up feature and explain why it's a game changer for Android users. Let's dive in. Hi Bixby. Wake me up at 7 a.m. tomorrow.
Your alarm set and will ring in 19 hours 50 minutes.
So, what's this feature all about? Normally, when you want Bixby's help, you say Hi Bixby. That's called the wake up command. But with this feature, you can talk to Bixby naturally, like a conversation. For example, instead of saying Hi Bixby, set an alarm, you can just say set an alarm for 7 a.m. and Bixby will understand. It makes your phone more responsive, faster, and feels like a real assistant. Alright, here is how to turn it on. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. Select Bixby Voice Settings. Now look for the option called Talk to Bixby without wake up. Toggle it on. And that's it. Bixby will now listen for your commands naturally, just like having a chat with your phone. Why you will love this feature? This feature is a lifesaver when you are cooking, driving or multitasking. No need to say hi Bixby every single time. It makes Bixby feel smarter and more helpful than ever before. Plus, it can save time when doing quick tasks like setting reminders, checking the weather, or even sending a message. So, that's how you set up Talk to Bixby without wake up on your Samsung phone. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Life Fact Hacks, and hit the bell for more smart tips like this. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite Bixby feature. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.